Hey friends, how are you? I hope you're having a great day today. I'd like to introduce you to this project. This is my drawing and watercolor painting, a mermaid cat project that was designed especially for kids. You do not have to have any drawing or painting experience at all to be successful with this project. I'd like to go over the supplies and the materials that you will need for this project. The first thing that you'll need is a piece of paper. I like to use watercolor paper. If you have that available to you, go ahead and use that. You'll need some watercolor paints. You'll need a paintbrush and some clean water in a bowl or a cup. You will need either a dark crayon or a dark oil pastel. I like to use black. You will need a paper towel and a mat to protect your workspace. I'm looking forward to teaching you this lesson. Let's get started. Alrighty friends, so let's get started on the drawing portion of our mermaid cat. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take our crayon or our oil pastel. I'm just going to use my black oil pastel. And we're going to go a little bit above the middle of our piece of paper, and we're going to make a straight line. Now, above this straight line, we're going to make two more straight lines. And then at these points of these lines, we're going to come down with an angled line. And then we're going to have a slightly curved line. This is going to be the top of our cat's face. Now we're going to make two eyes, wide set, about the same size, and a little nose with a mouth coming down, and some whiskers. I just like to make 2 or 3 whiskers. I usually don't make a lot of whiskers, but you can make as many whiskers as you'd like. All right, down here what we're going to do is we're going to make our mermaid part of our cat. So I'm going to make my tail coming this way because I have more room on this side. You can make yours on either side. I'm going to show you how to make that. So we're going to make a curved line coming up like this. And then from this side, we're going to do the same thing. Curved line coming up and meeting at the point. Now what we're going to do is we're going to make the tail. So I'm going to come down and make a U. This part of my tail is going off the paper a little bit. That's okay. We're going to make this side like this. All right, so that's the bottom of the tail. And if you could see this, it would be a little bit of a point. Now what we're going to do is we're going to make some little kitty hands coming out from the tail. And I think I'm going to put some lines to show that they're little kitty paws. All right, now here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start making some scales. And that's just going to be a series of U's going all the way across my shape, my mermaid tail shape. And if you notice on my second row, my scales touch my first row right at the midpoint. I keep going down until I fit all of these scales inside my mermaid tail. Alrighty friends, so I'm back and I am now going to make a few little swirls inside my water. So I'm just going to go like this, and these represent the water, the ocean water that the kitty cat, mermaid cat, is swimming around in. If you'd like to make a different shape, go ahead and do that. When we come back, we will be painting our mermaid cat. Alrighty friends, I'm back, and in this step what we're going to do is we are going to paint our mermaid cat. What we're going to do first though is we're going to prepare our paints. So just drop 1 drop or 2 drops of water inside each of your pans of paint, and what that does is it softens up the paint. Alrighty, so now that I have water in my paints, what's going to happen is they're going to soften up a little bit and they'll get ready for me to use. I'm going to talk about my cat painting. So I think I'm going to paint my actual kitty cat a light brown, and then for the tail part I'm going to paint green. But I'm not going to paint just a solid green like this. I'm going to use different shades of green and maybe even a little bit of blue. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with a brown, put a little bit of water and paint in one of my wells because I don't want it to be too dark. Remember, when you want a lighter color, you add more water. When you want a darker color, you add more paint. Let me test that out. Oop, that's perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and paint my kitty cat. I'll be back in just a second. Alrighty friends, I'm back and I'm finished with the kitty cat portion painting, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to start painting the actual mermaid tail part. So I'm going to be using green like I said before, and I am not going to just go like this with one shade of green. I'm going to take my time and I'm going to paint in individual little scales. That way my tail will look a little bit more detailed. Alrighty friends, so I'm finished with my scales on my kitty cat mermaid, and when we come back what we're going to do is we are going to paint the background. So I'll see you back here in just a minute. Alrighty friends, so in this step what we're going to do is we're going to paint the background. I'm going to just paint my background a blue color, a darker blue, but I'm going to lighten it up quite a bit with a lot of water because I don't want it to be too dark. So remember, like I said before in the lesson, if you want your color to be a little bit lighter, add more water. If you want it to be a little bit darker, add more paint. Alrighty, I'm going to speed this up and you can either watch me or you can get started on your own painting. Alrighty friends, I'm back and I really hope that you enjoyed this lesson. I'll see you next time.